Order of operation. Ever wonder why it is called order of operations? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and more are called operators. So order of operations is the order you use operators in now. The problems of section 2 are designed to polish the skills in multiplication and division while sparking pattern recognition. These problems do not directly include addition or subtraction. We start with multiplication and division problem. You are to do the problem from left to right. Think about this request while doing the problems. I use the word default, as in do the problem from left to right unless higher order operators like exponents and parentheses alter the order. In other words, any other operator will possibly change the order of operation, as in the step order of completing an operation. So operators and their position in a problem determines the order of operations. Now it's time to practice. See the description below for the free algebra workbook, which contains numerous examples for this section.